A new federal mandate could mean you have to get the COVID vaccine if you haven't already.
President Biden made the announcement last week. The mandate requires federal workers and the military get their shots, but some private businesses too. WCII Sarah Lehman is with us. So what does that mean for businesses here in central Illinois?
Right, well, it's going to impact a lot of businesses here, including the Kraft Foods factory in Champaign and ADM in Decatur. Employees working at places like that will fall under this vaccine mandate. President Biden ordered a sweeping new federal vaccine requirement impacting nearly 100 million Americans.
Many of us are frustrated with the nearly 80 million Americans who are still not vaccinated, even though the vaccine is safe, effective, and free.
The requirement says all 9 million federal and contract workers must be vaccinated or face losing their jobs. Private sector companies with over 100 employees must require vaccinations or weekly testing. That impacts 80 million workers. Businesses that don't comply could face fines. Owais Vade is with the Champaign-Urbana Public Health District. He says it's a positive step.
Again, an encouraging sign. And if I know the details are still awaited on how it's going to be implemented, but the direction has been given that the businesses which have at least 100 employees need to require their employees to get vaccinated, or they'll have to continue testing regularly. Again, like I said, it is a move in the right direction.
It says since the announcement, they have seen an uptick in the number of vaccinations across the board.
And we have enough data right now that the vaccines are really working to prevent hospitalizations and deaths. So I think all of those factored in, and now people are, realizing that it might be time to get it.
He says Champaign County has a good vaccination rate, but he says it will be hard to make it to the other side of the pandemic if more people don't get the vaccine.
We are not living in a bubble, right? People are traveling to Chicago, people are traveling all across, people come in. So if we are not able to get those people vaccinated that are living outside of the county, then in the long term, it's not really going to benefit anybody.
There are exemptions to getting the vaccine. You could have a medical or religious exemption. Vade says only about 5% of the entire population will be granted those exemptions. Back to you.
All right, Sarah, thank you.